Hi, today I'm doing a product review, a food product review about camel milk. It says Aadvik. I hope I said it correctly. Let's try some camel milk. This is going to be a bumpy ride. Yeah, I think you actually say Aadvik camel milk powder. 100% natural. Let me show you. Camels. Camel milk powder. Let's try it. Adding wealth to your health. Description: freeze-dried camel milk powder is a rich source of nutrients. Aadvik's camel milk powder is made from pure and fresh camel milk sourced from the deserts of India. We work closely with selected camel breeders to ensure that the highest quality of camel milk is delivered. Freeze-dried powder is 100% natural and has all the nutritional value of authentic camel milk intact. It is easy to store and handle. Camel milk is richer than cow's milk in calcium, iron, and vitamin C. Camel milk can be consumed by lactose intolerant people and those allergic to cow's milk. Camel milk is easy to digest. You can drink it plain, make ice creams, smoothies, and other healthy drinks from it. It says make a glass of camel milk. Add warm water, 1 glass approximately 200 milliliter in a bottle, followed by 2 tablespoons of camel milk powder. Camel milk powder. Mix it with a blender or shake it well before pouring the milk in a glass. As an inherent characteristic of any freeze-dried powder, a few particles may not dissolve entirely, but nutritional value will remain intact. So the ingredients are freeze-dried camel milk powder, and that's it. That's the way it should be, I guess. Declaration: this product is not a substitute to mother's milk. Yep. No preservatives, no additives. Once opened, consume within 30 days. And the nutrition facts I'll show you later. I bought this a while back, but I did not make a food product review, so it's outdated, unfortunately. And the video is a bit too goofy, maybe. Silly me. We worked hard and I'm hungry, I'm starving. So, I'm gonna see if a glass of camel milk powder will do me good. So, let's open it. Up here, all you do, you see? All you do is tear it. Of course, you can cut it too. If you want a clean, nice clean cut, which I usually do. Hold on just a moment. I'll get my gold scissors out here in the desert. There you go. I wonder what kind of sounds those camels make. and how it would be to ride one of them. I'm sure you have ridden one of them. That sounds weird. Have been riding on one of them before. I haven't. But I get to drink camel milk powder. Camel. It smells just about like milk powder. Not like Nido, but more like another dry milk powder. And the smell? So, 100% natural, gluten-free whole milk powder. You can go to their website, aadvikfoods.com. They have a Facebook too and a phone number. So let me tell you about the nutrition facts now, and then of course we're gonna make some milk and do a taste test. That's their website. This packet contains equivalent of 2 liters of milk, best before 9 months from date of manufacturing, when stored in a dry and cool place. Nutrition facts. Let me show you. I have a half a tablespoon. You see, so I need 4 of these. I'm filming with one hand holding the camera. So, camel. Milk, it tastes so good. Camel milk. Wow, look. Oops, cup. Stay put. Oh, it's nice and warm. Oh, it dissolves quite well. Oh, look at that. There is no powder left. It all dissolved. Oh, let's taste some. Let's do a taste test. Oh, camel, bumpy animal. There's a little bit more fat on top of that. Oh, I like that. Doesn't taste like goat milk or cow's milk. It tastes a little bit like dry milk powder, of course. What food do you drink out in the desert? Rich, good tasting camel milk to give you that bumpy ride. That bumpy ride that you will enjoy. I hope you enjoyed another food product review from me today. Thank you for watching. Here, take a sip. You're welcome.